Electric skateboards have really taken off lately, and it's not that unusual to see someone zip by in your city or catch your favorite YouTuber cruising the streets recording the action with their GoPro. As battery technology improves and the overall industry progresses, electric skateboards have become more prevalent and more affordable. While top models such as the original Boosted run around $1,000 to $2,000, there's tons of good budget options to choose from that will put the wind on your face with that gentle and satisfying hum of the electric motor as you surf the streets. The Next Gen 1 is one of Swagboard's most recent models, sporting a maplewood deck totally covered by grip tape for extra stick while riding. It has the proprietary Century Shield lithium-ion battery pack that lasts for about 10 miles, and it can go as fast as 11 miles per hour, depending on the skateboarder's weight, which, by the way, has to be no more than 176 pounds. Swagboard NG1 is one of the most esteemed budget electric skateboards on the market. Its $200 price tag perfectly fitting the needs of many people. A great beginner electric longboard, Blitzart Tornado has a solid design and can carry up to 300 pounds of weight, being one of the strongest skateboards out there. Its 350-watt hub motor offers speeds of around 16 miles per hour, and with its automatic acceleration, brake, and even reverse functions available, taking a stroll on this longboard will prove to be really miraculous. Tornado is one of, if not the best, models created by Blitzart, and it's definitely worth looking into. Equipped with a powerful belt drive motor, the unique Ego 2 is a little beast that can hold up to 220 pounds, go as far as 18 miles, and ride with 12.5 miles per hour, offering a great package of cool features at the low price of $350. It can be controlled both through its original wireless remote control and via an app installed on your smartphone, so it's rated pretty well in terms of usability, making it an ideal electric skateboard for the entry-level enthusiast. Portable enough to fit in a backpack, this electric skateboard weighs only 11 pounds, charges in an hour and a half, and can go as fast as 17.5 miles per hour. At $400, the Benchwheel pennyboard has a 1,000-watt motor as its title suggested, and it's ideal for children or lightweight users. Its slim design making it both very portable and modern looking. All in all, Benchwheel is definitely an option you should take into consideration when shopping for electric skateboards. Atom is an established brand that's been active in the skateboard market for 13 years now, and that's why the B10 model is an extraordinarily sturdy and stylish product with a price point under $500. This aerodynamic longboard can withstand weight up to 220 pounds, so it fits a larger category of people who might want to carry a heavy backpack, for example, as well. Having a 1,000-watt belt drive motor, this board is able to reach amazing speeds of about 18 miles per hour. One of the most beloved electric skateboards on the internet, the Blink-S made its parent company Acton really popular, and this is why it's on everybody's radar. Being able to ride up to 7 miles on a single charge and weighing only 11 pounds, this lightweight e-board is ideal for college students, allowing them to smoothly cruise through campus. Blink-S is one of the 4 models produced by Acton, but it's the most balanced choice when comparing price and available features. A 39-inch model with a 400-watt motor, the Maverix USA Urban Spirit might be a budget board, but it surely doesn't feel like a cheap product. Its features making it one of the most solid electric skateboards on the market. It has innovative, smooth ABS braking, it can reach up to 9 miles on a single charge, and it's built to last. Another great fact, this model is targeted towards adults, and therefore it doesn't have such a dire weight restriction like other models from our list. Going $50 over the $500 threshold, this electric longboard does have a truly impressive speed of up to 20 miles per hour and is produced by the Canadian company Red Deer. Their business model is based on authenticity, so the juiced board might be an electric vehicle, but it still has that adventurous and rebellious spirit seasoned skateboarders love. Sporting a dual hub motor, this e-board is suited both for beginners and for more experienced riders alike, making it a great choice for a large number of buyers. Even though it's not the cheapest board on the list, the Airwheel M3 is definitely worth its price, the 12-mile autonomy and 13-mile-per-hour top speed making it one of the most exquisite e-boards on the market. All these amazing specs are complemented by an elegant design that includes all-terrain rubber tires and built-in damper masses, a combination that brings much more durability and stability to off-road riding. This minimalist electric skateboard isn't only known for having an extra slick look, it also packs in some exhilarating stats. Wheel is the cheapest model from its parent manufacturer and offers speeds up to 25 miles per hour. It charges fast in 2 hours' time and has a maximum load of 285 pounds. All these amazing characteristics are catered towards experienced skaters, but the longboard can easily be used by novices because it's super user-friendly. We hope you've enjoyed our video showcasing some of the cheapest electric skateboards available. If you did, please press that like button, as we do appreciate it and it helps us immensely. We often ask our audience for suggestions to compile these lists. If you'd like to contribute, please follow NerdVid on Facebook. Know any other cool means of transportation that you can buy online? Feel free to tell us in the comments below, because we do try to read pretty much everything. Now would also be a good time to encourage you to subscribe, because we upload new videos all the time. Subscribing will keep you up to date with all of our latest content. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a good night.